If you want to know how to check your credit for free and boost your score, well then this is the only video you will need to watch. If you want to use your credit to borrow money on any type of loan, like a credit card, a car, a house, you need to know exactly what your score is first. And go into some of your free options or even some of the paid services, you want to make sure you're getting accurate numbers. And places like Credit Karma, they could be 50 points off, so you're not going to see your actual score that most creditors use to check your score. But relax, because I'm going to show you exactly where you need to go for a free credit report. But first, please hit the like button and subscribe if you like this video and would like to see more like it. And for bonus points, you can hit the chime button to receive alerts on my latest videos or share with a friend that you truly care about. There are a few ways to do this, but the best and free way to do it is to go to annualcreditreport.com and check it there. If for some reason you don't want to do this, you can go to each of the credit bureaus, Experian, TransUnion, Equifax, and sign up to gain access to your score. And that's pretty much it. From there, you'll be able to see what's on your report and what your score is. And if you still don't know what to do, you can call your credit repair company, or if you're trying to buy a house, you can call your favorite mortgage broker. And if they're good, they'll be able to see what's affecting your score and how you can improve it, and not just tell you,
"Your score's low, bring it up."
"Oh, thanks, no kidding." Unfortunately, this is often the case. Keep in mind that you'll need at least a 580 credit score. There's a few exceptions, but that's for another video. Just to give you a range, bad credit below 580, okay credit is between 580 and 619, good credit between 680 and 719, and great credit would be 720 plus. There are a few tricks I'm going to share with you to boost your score, and the first one is incredibly simple and easy way to boost your score up from anywhere between 20 to 100 plus points. But there's just one problem. Finding someone with great credit who's willing to add you as an authorized user on one of their credit cards that has long payment history of on-time payments can be difficult. And for those of you listening to this because you're thinking about helping somebody out, know this: it won't hurt you, it just helps them because you're friggin' awesome, you have stellar credit, kudos to you for helping out a friend or family member. Another great way to boost your credit score that I'm surprised more people don't know about is paying off or down on your credit cards. This can increase your score 10, 20 points per card. I had someone recently come to me to apply for a mortgage, and they had a few credit cards that were maxed out, some $300, some $500. And that was stopping them from buying a house. They paid them off, and next month they were shopping for a home. I know this isn't everyone's case, but if you can pay down your credit cards, maybe not down to zero, but where you only owe 30% of your credit limit, that can really help your score when purchasing a house. By the way, if you don't know what the process is for applying for a mortgage, you can watch this video over here that explains it in detail. And now the final tip for boosting your score. And this one, anyone can do with just a few minutes for free. And that's go to optoutprescreen.com. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and choose one of the opt-out buttons. Fill out your information, and voila! You just raised your score another 3 to 7 points. What this does is show creditors that you are no longer interested in receiving any credit offers for any types of loans, and the credit bureaus responds by rewarding you with some points. This can really help if you're just a few points shy from qualifying. Keep in mind that these 3 tips or if you need to boost your score quickly, and not if you have a lot of other factors affecting your credit, like bankruptcies, charge-off, late payments. For more long-term credits, you'll need to apply a different strategy. If you'd like to see a video on that, make sure you let me know in the comments below. Till next time.